A purchase journal is a specialized accounting journal to keep track of the order of items placed using account payable. A purchase journal is used to record credit purchases for resaleable purposes. The source document which is used as an evidence in recording transaction into purchase journal is purchase invoice. Credit purchase of current asset or non-current asset are not considered when recording in purchase journal. These are examples for credit purchase. April 10, bought good worth 100 ringgit on credit from Ali, invoice number 321. And then on April 20, bought good worth 200 ringgit from Rama, invoice number 890. The amount is 200 ringgit. And on April 30, bought good worth 300 ringgit on credit from Chan, invoice number 007. The total amount of credit purchase equal to 600 ringgit, and this total credit purchase will be transferred to purchase account in General Ledger 5. Ali, Rama and Chan the amount will be recorded in the account payable ledger as follow. Account payable Ali, credit 100 ringgit. Account payable Rama, credit 200 ringgit. Account payable Chan, credit 300 ringgit. So all the account payables will be credited because the amount of liability increase. Increase in liability normally credit. And for purchase account, the total amount of credit purchase is 600 ringgit and will be debited because the amount of expenses increase. So increase in expense, debit. Next is sales journal. Sales journal is also a prime entry book used to keep track credit sale. Most often, these sales are made up of inventory sales. Notice that only credit sale of inventory item is recorded in sales journal, whereas cash sale of inventory are recorded in cash receipt journal. Both cash and credit sale of non-inventory or merchandise are excluded from sales journal. These are examples for credit sale. April 11, sold good to Lim, invoice number 123. The amount is 200 ringgit. And on 21st April, sold good to Min, invoice number 125, amounted to 300 ringgit. And on 30th April, sold good to Man, invoice number 125 at 400 ringgit. So total credit sale is equal to 900 ringgit, and this total credit sale will be transferred to sales account as at April 30 in General Ledger 6. These ledger are as follow. Number 1, account receivable Lim, debit since asset increase, so debit 200 ringgit Lim, debit 300 ringgit Min, and debit 400 ringgit Man. In the sales account, the amount of credit sale will be credited at 900 ringgit because revenue increase is credited.